Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I got a couple of questions about how I display the earrings in the bottle. I thought I had did a video about this before, but I don't know. Maybe I did or just didn't or mentioned it in another video. But anyway, here's a video. I use nail polish holders to hold my bottles. And then this is what they look like. I have the taller one in the back, and then this little one, two, three tier one here, and then the one in the back is a 5 tier. So 14, 1, 2, 50. I think the one in the back holds about 60 bottles. I want to say each row is about 14. So whatever that comes out to be, I think about 60 or something. And then you have this one here, so it holds 14, and that's 3 tier. And I also use a cupcake holder. So this is the 3 tier cupcake holder that I use. And at the top right here, that is a plastic sign holder. So what I did is I glued it to the top with some E6000. And it's been working for me. I mean, the thing ain't came off. And I just print my signage and put my signage in there. I print in color. And then I just display the earrings in the bottle on here. And I have this like really nice and full, like what you see right here. And what I generally would do is, like, if I have a lot of gold, I'll put the gold ones here, or if I have a lot of red, a lot of yellow, or just a lot of colors. So I won't put black or gray or anything like that. It'll just be a bunch of colors. Or if I have a lot of earrings that are one specific color, those will all go on here, like you see with this yellow and orange. So that the one in the back, like anything that's really really bright colors, would go on here. And I have two of these that I sit on the end of a table. So it'll be, this one here, and then it'll be nice and full with the earrings in the bottle. And then I'll have the other one on the other end of the table, nice and full with earrings in the bottle. And then I'll have these trays right here that you see, full of earrings in the bottle. And you can imagine what the table looks like when you have these like really nicely arranged and just like stacked with earrings in the bottle. It just automatically draws people to your table, because it's like, oh my God, well, what are those? Especially when you got them displayed like this. And then you got the sign up that says, whatever it says, earrings in the bottle, and whatever you say. And also, if you do it, print a color picture of the earrings in the bottle, really pretty, as pretty as you can get it, and then put that on the sign, and it'll be right here. And then you just say them what they are. And then this is it right here. So somebody wanted to see this, and just a quick little video, just answering to a question. Alrighty, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK, and guess what, folks? We'll talk soon.